Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis and want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend now. And not a whole lot of new things to update in regards to levels of support or resistance, more so just confirmation of the levels that I've been talking about in the past. Namely, there was a bigger channel that I've been talking about, and the bottom of that overall channel was 285, and the top of it up there at 325. Although the past few days, this channel has actually kind of been squeezed in a smaller channel, which is a good signal for the bulls. So I'm not saying that it guarantees that the price is going to explode upwards, but when channels are getting smaller and smaller in the upwards direction, or in other words, because the price is putting in these higher lows, that's a good thing. So again, original channel was between these lines here, but then pretty much after this point, the bulls have now tightened up the channel to only be, that size. So the skinnier and skinnier these channels get, the better and better. Again, assuming that the price is putting in those higher lows and, the price just keeps on heading upwards. So as far as kind of this newer channel, you have the bottom of it right here, about $2.95, which you can see has been doing a fantastic job of holding that support whenever it's been tested. So, however you want to look at it, it's up to you. But, if you wanted to start to call this kind of the new channel between 295 and 325, I certainly wouldn't offer any arguments to that. So, all in all, though, a good, healthy week. Not exciting in the sense of the price exploding upwards, but a very healthy week in a boring way, meaning boring just going sideways. But as we've been talking about, the sideways action is happening at higher price levels, and, that's what you want to see when it comes to trend building. So, it'll be interesting to see how this one starts to unfold next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.